Louisville Ladder welcomes you to our Climb Academy, where we take ladder safety to a whole new level. Chances are you'll be using a ladder or scaffold at your home or workplace in the near future. The Climb Academy was created to offer you the very best in ladder safety training and awareness. Since 1946, Louisville Ladder has been a leader in supplying high-quality climbing products and promoting ladder safety to consumers. Louisville Ladder products are designed to meet or exceed the rigorous safety requirements of ANSI, OSHA, and CSA. In fact, we are so committed to safety that our engineers work closely with ANSI to develop ladder industry safety codes. This is an ongoing program that has become a top priority. We put a lot of time and effort into manufacturing high-quality ladders, but in the long run, only you can make ladders safe. Well, we know that you're probably thinking to yourself, isn't safety just common sense? For the most part it is, but accidents still happen every day. In 1 year's time, over 160,000 people in the United States receive medical treatment for a ladder-related injury, and more than 100 people in the U.S. die annually from a ladder-related injury. Ladder-related incidents have caused individuals pain and suffering and cost the industry a lot of money each year in workers' compensation. This means ladder safety is more than common sense. A survey of work-related ladder accidents shows that 90% of all ladder-related incidents surveyed could have been avoided if workers had been trained in proper usage and inspection of ladders. Let's begin by introducing you to the meaning of climb. Starting with the letter C, learn how to choose it right. Always have the right ladder for the job. The letter L stands for look closely. Inspect your ladder for any damage or missing parts. I recommends that you ensure safe, stable ladder setup. M means that you should move slowly and carefully as you ascend and descend the ladder, always having 3 points of contact when climbing a ladder. B asks you to become a safety expert, not a statistic. Now that you know the meaning of climb, let's get started. C means choose it right. At Louisville Ladder, our job is to make your job a lot easier, and helping you choose the right ladder is part of that job. Not all ladders are to be used for the same type of job circumstances, which means, for example, that a job which can safely be performed with a step ladder could become dangerous if an extension ladder is used. For this reason, you must evaluate the work environment, keeping in mind all potential hazards. To determine which ladder is best suited for the job, consider 4 things. Choosing the ladder type you will need. Choosing the proper length of ladder for the height you will be working at. Determining the duty rating. And 4, choosing the material. Step 1. Determine the type of ladder you need based on your environment and situation. Will you need a step ladder, extension ladder, trestle ladder, single ladder, platform ladder, or a scaffold? Step ladders are great for low and medium height jobs with adequate space for working, such as painting, changing light bulbs, as well as many other tasks. These ladders are self-supporting, non-adjustable in length, great for diverse professional and household tasks. Extension ladders are designed for extended height tasks, such as working on roofs and painting the outside of houses and buildings. These ladders are non-self-supporting, adjustable in length, and require an upper support surface to lean against, making them versatile and useful for a wide variety of jobs. Trestle ladders, or twin front ladders, are a special kind of step ladder designed for jobs where 2 people have to be on the ladder at the same time. Made with steps on both sides, it can be climbed from either side. This ladder will hold its duty rating simultaneously on each side of the ladder. Platform ladders are excellent for tasks that require extended standing for long periods at an elevated height. The large platform makes it more comfortable and gives you more stepping space. These ladders are great for painters, decorators, and electricians. Scaffolds are designed for jobs where you have to have a wide range of movement above ground. Jobs such as painting or working on long walls, installing ceilings, and many other jobs where you need to move from side to side. Step 2. Determine the length of the ladder you need. It's important to choose a ladder with the proper length for the job you're doing. Do not use a ladder that is too long or too short for the job. If you need to stand on or above the first step below the top cap of a stepladder, or the third rung from the top of an extension ladder, the ladder is too short. If the ceiling height prohibits proper ladder setup, the ladder is too long for the job. To determine the right ladder length, you have to think about the maximum standing height you will need. For example, if you're using a stepladder and you need to stand above 3 feet, you will have to use a 6-foot ladder. This will allow you a maximum standing height of 3 feet 9 inches. The highest standing level can be found on the notice label. When using an extension ladder, there are 3 factors that reduce the maximum standing height: the overlap between the fly and the base section, the highest rung that can be safely stood on, and the reduction in height due to the 75-degree angle the ladder must be set up to. For example, if you want to reach a maximum height of 13 feet, a 20-foot extension ladder is required. This ladder allows the highest standing level of 13 feet 5 inches. The highest standing level can be found on the notice label. For more information on extension ladder lengths, please see our Extension Ladder Length Selection Guide, which you can find in the Climb Academy Handbook. Step 3. Determining the duty rating. This will help you select the proper duty rating for your ladder. There are 5 types of duty ratings. Type 1AA is for ladders that have a load capacity of 375 pounds. This is recommended for extra heavy-duty use. Type 1A is for ladders that have a load capacity of 300 pounds. This is also recommended for extra heavy-duty use. Type 1 is for ladders that have a load capacity of 250 pounds. This is recommended for heavy-duty use. Type 2 is for ladders that have a load capacity of 225 pounds. This is recommended for medium-duty use. Type 3 is for ladders that have a load capacity of 200 pounds and are recommended for light-duty use. When choosing what duty rating fits your needs, you have to consider your weight, plus any weight that you might need to carry on the ladder. Things such as power tools, paint supplies, cables, conduits, or 2x4s. Once you have determined the total weight of your load, you are able to select the ladder with the proper duty rating. Step 4. Choosing the ladder material. After choosing your type, height, and duty rating, you must choose the material your ladder is made of, fiberglass or aluminum. Fiberglass ladders are a bit heavier than aluminum models, but are specifically designed for working around electrical circuits and cables. Fiberglass decreases the risk of getting shocked or electrocuted when dry and clean. Aluminum ladders are lighter than fiberglass ladders, making them easier to lift, carry, and set up. These ladders are good for jobs such as roofing, siding, painting houses, or cleaning windows. Just make sure there isn't any electricity in the area, such as overhead electrical lines. Now that you have chosen the right type, height, duty rating, and material for your ladder, you are prepared to work safely on whatever job you're about to do.